All right, the question is, can this welder right here work off a generator? The short answer is yes. A 6,000 to 7,000 watt generator will run this. I only have a 3,500 though, so let's see what that can do. We're gonna see if we can weld these two pieces together. 6013, let's go. This is the super portable, very affordable stick welder at only $63 and is the perfect little stick welder for those looking for a 110 plug and play welder that just works. The anti-stick, hot start, and arc force are automatically turned on already. So all you gotta do is plug this thing in, set your amps, and you're off and running. So technically you should be using about a 6,000 to 7,000 watt generator, but at 73 amps, we were able to weld 1/8 inch steel with no problem. So there you have it. Do yourself a favor, peep that link, get yours now, thank me later, peace.